Hey guys, welcome back to Santossuerte Healing. Today's video is a quick tutorial on how to make your own ritual bath salts. So let's go ahead and get started. A few items that you'll need will be a clean glass bowl, some pink Himalayan sea salt, a clean measuring cup. This measuring cup is half a cup, some essential oils to your liking, some dried herbs. I am using orange peel, lavender, basil, linden, and cloves for this video. To start making ritual bath salts, you want to grab your clean bowl, your measuring cup, and begin to measure out half a cup of pink Himalayan sea salt. Once you have that measured out, go ahead and add it into your bowl. Last minute, I decided I was going to double up on the recipe, so I am just measuring out another half a cup of sea salt. Next, you want to grab some orange peels. I'm adding about 4 to 6 into my salt, and I'm just going to tear them up into little tiny pieces. Next up, you just want to measure out some lavender. I'm not measuring this out specifically, more so just kind of eyeballing how much I think I'll use. Oops, gotta fix my Mad Hatter. There we go. I am just adding 2 big pinches of lavender into my salt mixture. Whenever I'm adding my herbs, I really like to listen to my intuition. And now I am just going to repeat that same process with my basil and linden, again listening to my intuition on how much I should add. I'm just going to add my cloves. I'm going to be adding about 6 to 9 of them, and I'm just going to crush them up and add them with the rest of my mixture. Want to grab your essential oils, and I really only like adding about 4 to 6 drops. I don't want it to be too heavy on the essential oils, more so I just want a little bit of the aromatherapy. Now that you have your final mixture, go ahead and grab a spoon and give everything a nice well stir. Make sure it's all fully incorporated. Now that you have everything well incorporated, go ahead and start stating your intentions into this medicine. This can be done either by acknowledging the plants you used, by holding it to your belly, maybe to your heart. You could even meditate over it. And it's really great because you can just sit there and share your breath with this creation that you made, really giving it your energy. And now you just want to grab something to put your mixture in. I like using glass jars. You're going to grab that spoon from earlier and go ahead and start adding it in little by little. If you have a funnel, I highly recommend using that as it makes it way easier and less messy. And that is it, you guys. Did you see how easy that was? And look at how beautiful our final product is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please let me know in the comments below. Like and subscribe to this page, and let me know what you would like to see in future DIY plant magic. Bye!